How to replace a Mortice Deadlock. To replace your lock, start by securing the door firmly with a wedge to stop it moving while you work. Then carefully remove all the current door furniture. Turn the key to set the deadbolt out, grip with a pair of pliers and pull the lock case from the door. Take measurements of your original lock, including the case depth, the back set, and the length of the forend itself. These measurements will help you when selecting your new lock. Take a minute to compare the old and the new locks to make sure you have the correct size. Once you're ready, slide the new lock into the existing space in the door to check the fit. Remove the new lock and hold in place against the door so you can make a pencil mark around the new Euro cylinder hole, as it will be larger than the original keyhole. Don't forget to do this on both sides. Use a hammer and chisel to carefully remove some of the excess wood, making your keyhole larger. Again, remember to do the same on the other side. Then, holding both the escutcheons, or keyhole covers, to the sides of the door, take a measurement from edge to edge. This measurement tells you how big the cylinder will need to be. Remember, the cylinder you choose will need to be slightly bigger than the measurement you've just taken. In our case, our measurement was 55mm, so we'll need a 60mm cylinder. Slide the cylinder into the holes you just made, ensuring that the cam is straight as you do so, and then test to see if the lock works. Leaving the bolt locked out, secure the forend with screws, ensuring the cylinder retaining screw is in place. Then fit the cover plate. Unlock and remove the keys to give yourself room to put the escutcheons into place. We recommend using a small drill bit to pre-drill some pilot holes for your screws, as pre-drilling will stop your wood from splitting. Then fix in place with the screws and add any covers. Do the same on the other side. Finally, check the door closes and locks as it should. To purchase any of the materials seen here, or to find more how-to videos, visit safe.co.uk. Thanks for watching.